Hello, children. We are going to learn one final song for this Christmas season. It's called Stars Were Gleaming, and it's very beautiful. You may have heard it before. It is all about the nativity, of course, with baby Jesus, but it doesn't mention baby Jesus in the song. It talks about the star and the angels, the shepherds and the wise men, all coming to see him or greeting him or singing about him in the heavens. And so think about that as we sing it. I'm going to go ahead and sing it through, and then we'll talk about it a little bit, and then we'll sing it through together. Stars were gleaming, shepherds dreaming, and the night was dark and chill. Angels' story ring with glory, shepherds heard it on the hill. Ah, that singing, hear it ringing, earthward winging, Christmas bringing. Hearken, we can hear it still. See the clearness and the nearness of the blessed Christmas star, leading, guiding, wise men riding through the desert dark and far, glowing, showing, shining, growing, onward going, gleaming, glowing. I forgot the words. Christmas star. We'll just listen. So that the last phrase there was leading still our Christmas star. Okay, so now let's talk about it for just a minute. All of those words can sometimes get a little confusing because they put in a lot of words that are very similar, like showing, shining, growing, gleaming, glowing, and you kind of have to think really quickly to figure out which ones go first. So it can take a bit, even for me, to get them all in the right order. But again, I just think it's beautiful. So it starts out very first with the star. So it starts out, stars were gleaming, shepherds over here, if you can see the shepherds and the sheep, shepherds dreaming, and the night was dark and chill. Then we have the angels. We only have one, but angels' story rang with glory. And back to the shepherds. Shepherds heard it on the hill. And what did they hear? They heard the singing of the angels, right? And this is how it says it. It says, ah, that singing, hear it ringing, earthward winging. And that just means it's coming towards the earth. So earthward winging. Let me see. Suddenly, I can't think. Earthward winging, Christmas bringing, okay? It's hard for me because I have to go back and forth between the music and I don't have my glasses on, so it's also hard to see. Anyway, okay, so let me repeat that part. So, all that singing, hear it ringing, earthward winging, Christmas bringing, hearken, we can hear it still. That's the first verse. And when it says at the end, hearken, we can still hear it still, I've always loved that phrase because it makes me think if I listen closely enough and if I pay attention to my feelings at Christmas time, I may not hear the angels sing, of course, but I can feel the spirit of Christmas. I can feel, of course, the importance of Jesus Christ and what happened long ago and how it still matters completely today. So that was the first verse. So let me say it through one more time. Stars were gleaming, shepherds dreaming, and the night was dark and chill. Angels' story rang with glory, shepherds heard it on the hill. Ah, that singing, hear it ringing, earthward winging, Christmas bringing. Hearken, we can hear it still. Then the second verse goes on, see the clearness and the nearness of the blessed Christmas star. So clear, near, big and bright, bigger than any other star, right? So again, see the clearness and the nearness of the blessed Christmas star. Okay, then we go to the wise men. Leading, guiding, wise men riding. somewhere I thought I had a camel. Maybe it's up there and I can't see. Anyway, leading, guiding, wise men riding through the desert, dark and far. And then we go to another part where we have all those words close together, and it starts like this. Lovely, showing, shining, growing. So let me repeat that, and you do it with me. Lovely, showing, shining, growing. Okay, the next is onward going. So let's say them all together. Lovely, showing, shining, growing, onward going. And then our last two are gleaming, glowing. So that's a big sentence. So it goes like this. Let me sing it, and you sing it with. Lovely, showing, shining, growing, onward going. I goofed up. What did I do? Oh, that was right. Okay, I thought I made a mistake. Try again. Sorry about that, but I don't want to stop recording because I've already done it enough. All right, here we go. Lovely, showing, shining, growing, onward going, gleaming, glowing. Lots of words, easy to mess up, right? But they're so beautiful. They fit so nicely. And then the last sentence is leading still our Christmas star. All right, this is taking a long while, so we're going to go right to it, sing it one final time. Stars were gleaming, shepherds dreaming, and the night was dark and chill. Angels' story ring with glory, shepherds heard it on the hill. All that singing, hear it ringing, earthward winging, Christmas bringing, hearken, we can hear it still. See the clearness and the nearness of the blessed Christmas star, leading, guiding, wise men riding through the desert dark and far. Lovely, showing, shining, growing, onward going, gleaming, glowing, leading still our Christmas star. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a wonderful and Merry Christmas.